Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2813-0141. The error reads, "You already have a Nintendo Switch online membership, so you cannot use this code at this time." This error appears when users try to redeem a download code for a Nintendo Switch online membership. As per our research, this error comes in two specific scenarios. The first is when you try to redeem a code for a free trial of Nintendo Switch Online on an account that already has an active membership. The second is when you try to redeem a code for an individual membership on an account that currently has an active family membership. According to our research, this is a restriction from Nintendo and not an actual issue with the code or account. In these situations, it is not possible to use the Nintendo Switch Online download code. But you can continue using all the features of your current membership. Also, once your current membership ends, you will be able to redeem the download code as long as it hasn't expired. Just make sure to turn off the auto-renewal option before your current membership ends if you plan to redeem the new code after. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.